Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Here we are going to solve another problem with the name Domino, and this problem is come in Codeforces round #205 in division 2. In this question you have to simply ask the sum is even or not. The first upper half is even, sorry, first half is even or second half is even, then you don't have to interchange. And in the second, you have to give the how much time he will take to make the sum interchanges, and your sum is equal to even. In the final, your sum is equal to even. So how will you do this? Like, let us understand. The sum of the array. There are three possibilities. Your sum is equal to odd. For first is upper half and second is odd, right? Lower half. And then there are three possibilities. Your sum is equal to odd, your sum is equal to even, and third is even odd. This is your first, second and third. And Valera demanding for even. Your sum is always equal to even. For in this test case, your answer is equal to print 0, right? Because if initially your sum is equal to 1 for both the halves, then your answer is always equal to 0. And let us say in the third test case, I will come on the first test case. Let us first we understand the even odd condition. If your first sum is equal to even and second sum is odd, then what will happen? Like in this case, let's say in this case, right? 1 4 1 3 4 4 4 5 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 1 6 even, and 4 4 8 plus 3 11. This is odd. By observation, and by observation you think, if I interchange this, what will happen? 4 1 1 3 and 4 4. Then what is your answer? 4 4 8 9. This will change odd and this will even. And if you again change this will again means it is interchanging between odd even. Means there is no such pair exists for which your answer become even. So in this case your answer is equal to print -1, because there is no such pair exists, and if no pair exists then your time is equal to 0, then your answer is -1, right? Because you are not going to interchange. And let us understand in the third test case. Means first, if your sum is equal to odd, in the given test case 1 4 2 3 4 4, right? This is 4 plus 2 6 6 7 odd, and 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 11. This is also odd. In this question, in this test case, what you are going to do? You have to interchange, right? What I can do, I can first interchange this. मीन्स आपको ऐसा इंटरचेंज करना है ना इसके अंदर कि एक आपका ऑड होगा और एक इवन होगा. एक मतलब एक पेयर को इंटरचेंज करते समय आपको ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि आपका एक ऑड हो एक इवन हो. बिकॉज यू थिंक two odds always given you even, and two even always even for sum, not multiplication, for sum, and odd multiple of number is equal to means odd means wait means if you have three odd number will always odd, means odd multiple of numbers will always give odd. Odd multiple means 1 3 5. If one odd is present, 3 odds are present, 5 odds are present, always give you odd, right? So लाइक तो अपन क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें कि अगर ऑड है इनको इवन बनाना है तो या तो एक तरीका है कि मैं इनमें इवन इवन का एक एक नंबर जोड़ दूं तो अपना क्या होगा, इवन बन जाएगा. लाइक इफ दिस इज ऑड आई विल ऐड ऑड ऑड, मतलब मीन्स इवन इवन बनाने के लिए मुझे एक एक ऑड और जोड़ना है ताकि 4 के पेयर बन जाए, राइट. तो मैं 1 1 जोड़ दूंगा तो ये इवन बन सकते हैं, बट मैं जोड़ नहीं सकता, मुझे इंटरचेंज करने हैं. इंटरचेंज करने हैं मीन्स लाइक अब इंटरचेंज करूंगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि पहले देखूंगा कि 1 जो है, 1 जिन पेयर को मैं इंटरचेंज कर रहा हूँ उसमें ऑड और इवन का पेयर होना चाहिए. पेयर नहीं, मतलब एलिमेंट आपके ऑड और इवन होने चाहिए, तभी उस पर इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. अगर मैं ऑड ऑड कर दूंगा तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा उसमें. लाइक अगर 2 2 है तो मैं इधर ऐड इनको इंटरचेंज करूंगा कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. लाइक इफ आई 2 4 तो मैं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा मेरे सम में, बस सम कम ज़्यादा होगा पर उनकी जो क्या होता है टेंडेंसी है इवन और ऑड रहने की, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अल्टीमेटली, राइट. देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट. We have to include this condition in our code. If you are going to interchange, then you first see if there is pair present of odd or even, then you can interchange, right. In this case 1 and 4, then this, see, if this is following our condition, this is following our condition, 1 and 4, 1 is odd and 4 is even. So I am going to interchange this 4 1 2 3 4 4. Now you can simply say this is even and this is also even. Then you have to print 1. Now you, by observation, by doing some more seeing test cases, then you simply your answer is always 0 1 and -1. -1 for even odd, 1 for odd odd, and for 0 sorry, even, right. Now let's go to the code. But in the third test, you have to mainly focus the pair should be odd even. Now see, here is the code. I am taking the upper half sum in S1 and lower half in S2, and your answer initially 0. Like first A, let's see first A, first condition, S1 is equal to mod 2, S1 mod 2 is equal to 0 and S2. This is the condition of both the sums is even. Then your answer simply 0. Answer is initialized by 0, right. If even or odd or even, both are condition same, then your answer is equal to -1. Now see, both the sums are odd, then what you have to interchange when you AXI, means one pair is means if when you interchange, when your one element is even and other element is odd, or vice versa, means first odd second even, if not then second even first odd, sorry, first odd second even, right. This is the condition I am checking here. If in this case, right, then your answer plus plus. If you find out, then you simply break this loop and come outside and read when print cout minor. If you don't find out, means there is no pair present of even one element is even and other odd, then you simply cout minus out, right. I hope you understand this question. Thank you everyone.